Lesson 151.
Je fais, faire.
Francois, this is a very important and very useful verb to know in any language. That is the verb for making or doing. This verb looks to me just like the one from last lesson.
Je dors.
It looks like the first person singular and second person singular look the same, so it must be irregular. Maybe you can read those forms for us.
Je fais, tu fais, il, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils, elles font. This is an irregular verb, and all the French children make the same error in this conjugation because, as you can see, the second person of plural is very strange for a French verb. It does not finish with the EZ. And so all the children in France say vous faisiez.
Well, I could see why they would make that mistake because they would expect it to end with, I suppose, EZ.
Yes, nous faisons, vous faisiez, ils font. But unfortunately, no, it is vous faites. And it's a way to know if you know the French.
Right. So watch out for the second person plural form. It's tricky. And there's one other thing I'd like to point out to you before we move on, and that is the fact that this one French word can be translated into English, that is, do or make. In English, the verb do carries with it the idea of carrying out some kind of action, and the word make has the idea of creating or crafting or building something. So in English, we have these two different verbs that in French are both combined. They're both expressed by the verb je fais. And we have a couple of examples here to demonstrate this. In the first example, we have je fais being used to talk about making dinner. So here you're creating or making something. Then in the second example sentence, we have je fais being used in the sense of doing something, carrying out an action. So what I want you to understand is that as an English speaker, what you imagine to be the meaning of the word do and the meaning of the word make, both of those concepts are wrapped up in the French word je fais. They both can be expressed by that one verb.